Today I bring to you a speech on being happily married. It's all upon your course of action. What course of action does one believe in taking when he or she feels hard on getting on with life in a situation where he or she is married or at the time of leading a happy married life? There are individuals who do not understand the way of life. Some understand and believe what they hear, some understand and believe what they see, some understand and believe what they hear and see, some understand and believe what they are told, some understand and believe what are told and accept it at the time of what they see. Which category do you belong to, my dear fellow humans? To live a life of happiness you need to do what you love doing, you need to do what pleases you, you need to do good to others, you need to love your neighbors as you love yourself, you need to seek comfort in friends and their friendship, you need to love and obey your father and your mother, you need to show respect to elders and learn some good from them, you need to understand the qualities in you and the abilities that you are capable of. In the same way, to live a happy married life, you need to watch out for one another. Husbands should love their wives and wives should in return love their husbands. There should be no jealousy or attitude or mismanagerial qualities on either sides. There should be no gossiping between one another with regards to their work schedules or office gossips or neighbor attitudes. Yes, husband and wives can consult each other on the issues that they face with regards to their work schedules or office gossips or neighbor attitudes. Neither the husband nor the wife should gossip regarding their families to their neighbors or in the community or within their friend circle or between a group of people known or unknown to them. My dear friends, to live a happy life and most of all to live a happy married life, if you follow my instructions, you will definitely be the most successful man or woman in your married life. It is observed that some women keep chatting and chatting and chatting. This chatting is called gossiping. These type of women chat or gossip with regards to their husbands, with regards to their family, with regards to their self, or should I say with regards to their personal life or family life. My dear friends, this also goes without saying that such gossiping is not limited to women. The same goes without telling with any man who falls within a group of friends and starts to discuss his personal life with them. Slowly he starts discussing his family life with them. My dear friends, have you ever noticed that an intelligent man or an intelligent woman will always take information from their fellow men or women, and no matter how much personal the issue discussed may be, this information taken by such intelligent men or women will be made a source for gossip to the surrounding atmosphere and thus a cause of misfortune to the life of the person involved. People often tend to have a want of knowledge. They tend to have information of their neighbors, of their family members, of their parents, of their friends' life, and the way their friends live. My fellow humans, those wanting to live a happy life, and most of all those wanting to live a happy married life, should do away with all unwanted information.